So I believe the best recipes are the simplest ones. So I've made my own graham cracker crust, but you can buy these at any store. I'm making a super quick cranberry sauce for the bottom of my tart. So listen, I've got frozen cranberries, frozen, fresh, they're all good. A little extra water. I want this to help cook this down. Sugar, a little extra sweetness. This is gonna have such a punchy, tart cranberry flavor. Now, while this is simmering away, getting all that goodness, I'm gonna heat up some cream. White chocolate. Not really chocolate, but so creamy, so delicious, so sweet. It is just yum after yum after yum after yum. Now I just want to melt this chocolate. Hot cream. You know, the fancy chefy word for this is ganache. I just call it melting chocolate. Trap all that heat. Let this chocolate really, really, really melt. Oh, look at those cranberries. All cooked down, soft. That cranberry punch I was talking about, it's right there. Oh, man. These cranberries have cooked down to be jammy and sweet. The perfect coating for Mr. Graham Cracker. Now, back to the chocolate love. Yeah. This is gonna pour over perfectly on that cranberry jam. Oh, look at that. Come on. And now for the tricky part. Getting this to the fridge without spilling any of that chocolate love. And I'm gonna want it in there for at least a couple hours. So I bet you're probably thinking I was done with the cranberries, but not quite. I've taken some more, heating them up with a little bit of water and sugar. This is gonna go onto the top of that tart. Into some raw sugar, let these guys play in the snow. It's gonna bring just so much more sweetness. It's like a crust on each little cranberry. It's gonna bring that awesome texture too. And now for the tart. Oh, man. This is ready. Now for these sweet little crusted cranberries to go right on top. All that extra sweetness, all that extra tartness. Actually, this needs a nutty crunch. Perfect. Pistachios. Love cranberries and pistachios. Look at that. Now here's a great tip if you're ever cutting into a cold tart or cake. Hot water, hot knife. This is gonna ensure no sticking and no muss. Make sure you wipe it nice and good. Look at this. Can't wait to eat this. Oh. fresh whipped cream. Two levels of cranberries, soft and sweet underneath, crunchy and tart on top. I bet you want some of this.